If you're looking for a fun new side dish to make this summer at your next cookout with your family and friends, well, I got you guys covered with this tequila lime Mexican street corn salad. It's delicious and you guys are gonna love it. Before we jump into this recipe, be sure to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel, click that subscribe button and click that bell, and then tell your friends and family when they're at your barbecue eating this salad to do the same thing. That way you guys don't miss any recipes that we throw out here for you guys to enjoy on your Blackstones. Now, let's make some corn salad, or Mexican tequila lime Mexican street corn salad. First things first, let's get to our corn for this corn salad. You could use either frozen corn kernels, just let it thaw out first before throwing it onto your hot Blackstone, or you could use fresh ears of corn. That's what I'm using today because it's summer and I love using fresh corn on the cob. I'm going to slice the kernels off these ears of corn or cobs of corn. I don't know which one you call it. It takes a little bit of muscle, but once you get it all off, slide that aside. I have some fresh garlic cloves. I do 1 garlic clove chopped per ear of corn. Let's turn on our new Blackstone E-Series to about 325 and let that start to heat up. Drizzle on a little extra light tasting olive oil onto my griddle surface and drop down that chopped garlic. Let that cook for about 30 seconds and then we're adding our corn that we just cut off of the cob. Give it a nice toss and let it coat in that oil and that garlic mix through. You can smell it instantly. It just smells like heaven. This in itself, all alone, I could be so happy with as a side dish for any barbecue. Once this corn is nice and heated through, it's become tender. You see a little bit of brown specks here and there, golden brown specks. Oh, it looks beautiful. We're gonna pull this off and let it cool. Now let's talk about what we're mixing in to the corn once it cools off. I have some black beans. They're canned, they're drained, and they're rinsed. If you wanted to drop them down with the corn at the same time, you absolutely can. I've chopped up 1 sweet red pepper. I have some Parmesan cheese. I like to go 50-50 Duke's mayo and sour cream. I have some chopped up green onions, some limes, and of course, we're seasoning with the Blackstone tequila lime seasoning. I have some cilantro. Let's chop it up. Take half of that and add that into our mixture. Some cojita cheese, which is a Mexican crumbling cheese. It is fabulous in this. Give it a nice toss to incorporate all of these ingredients. It smells so delicious. I cannot wait to eat this corn salad. So let's plate it up. Some slices of jalapeno. Now, if you have a crowd that loves the heat, then you could easily chop up your jalapeno and mix it through with everything. For us, I like to just top it off. That way, whoever wants those jalapenos can scoop them right up and enjoy them all by themselves. A little more cheese to garnish it or zhuzh it up. Now that cilantro that we left behind, let's grab it and sprinkle that all over the top of this salad. Finish it off with a dusting of our tequila lime seasoning, and this is ready to dive into and enjoy. It is a perfect side dish to go along with anything you're serving up this summer to family and friends. Get crazy and add in different things. Take a picture and let us know because I can't wait to see it. And don't forget, go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel and subscribe and click that bell and leave us some love, leave us some comments. So until next time, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Blackstone Betty and I will see you guys in the next video. The cob or the ear, I don't know what it is. I have some green, nope, they're not green. Now let's talk I like a quick, easy